Science Cube YouTube channel. So let us evaluate integration of 0 to 1, integration of 0 to 1 minus root of 1 minus pi square x cube y dx dy. So first we should be right I is equal to integration of 0 to 1, integration of 0 to 1 minus y square x cube y dx dy. So first we should choose x and y. It will be presence of y square, so this will be the x, the remaining will be the y. So next I is equal to here integrating with respected to y, integrating with respected to y. Okay, so integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. When we have to integrate it, just remove the integration equal to integrating with respected to y, I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. When we have to integrate it, just remove the integration symbol. You can take the square bracket. So first we have to here integrating with respected to x. Sorry, with respected to x. Integrating with respected to x. So I is equal to y is equal to 0 to 1. When we have to integrate it, just remove the integration symbol and add the square bracket. So first we have to integration of the x. So integration of the x cube, it is x to the power of 4 divided by 4. The y, it is the constant, we can write it as it is. The remaining is the dy. Okay, next I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. We can take y as the outside because that will be the constant. 1 divided by 4, that is y divided by 4. The remaining is the x4. So for this one we can apply the limits. That will be the 0 to root of 1 minus y square dy. Okay, next I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. When we have to applying the limits, y is equal to 4, upper limit minus lower limit. So this is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. So upper limit is 1 minus y square of the root of the square minus 0 of the 4. Okay, the this is root of 1 minus y square. This will be the 4. So this is also 4. Remaining is dy. Next I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. The y4 as it is. Just we can solve it this one. How we can solve it means the root we can write it in terms of 1 minus y square of the 1 by 2 of the 4 minus 0. It will be the 0 only. The remaining is dy. So we can cancel it here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. So y by 4. What is remaining? We have to get here 1 minus y square of the square. Okay, that is dy. So which term we are finding here? So this one we should be considered as an a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. It will be applicable for this one. So I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. That will be the y by 4. When we have to apply this formula, this will be the a, this will be the b. So what it will be get? So 1 square plus y square of the square minus 2 into, this will be the 1 into y square. Okay, isn't it? Same thing we have to get it here. Next I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1, y divided by 4. So 1 square is 1 plus y square of the square, it is the y4 minus 2 ones are 2, it is 2 into y square. Okay, this is the form we have to get it. Next what we have to do, I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to 1. 1 by 4 we can take it common. Just this y it will be multiplied with this one. When this y will be multiplied with this one, we have to get y plus y into y into 1, that will be the y into y4, that will be the y5 plus 2 of that y into y square, that will be the y cube of dy. We can get it. So next we have here this one we have to get the y terms. Next we have to integrating with respect to y here. Next, I is equal to when we have to integrating with respect to y, we are not using this integration symbol, just we can use the square bracket. This 1 by 4 as it is, the integration of the y, it is y square by 2 plus the integration of the y5, it is y6 divided by 6 plus 2, we can take it as it is, the y cube, this will be the y4 of the 4. Which formula we are using here? We are using the integration of xn is equal to xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So y5, it is 5 plus 1, that will be the 6 divided by 6, 3 plus 1 that will be the 4 divided by 3 plus 1, that will be the 4, 1 plus 1, that will be the 2 divided by 1 plus 1, that will be the 2. I hope you will be understand here. Now we can apply the limits. The limits are 0 to 1, it is 0 to 1, this is the 0 to 1. Okay, next applying limits of this one, what we have to get, I is equal to 1 by 4 as it is. So applying the limits for this one, so 1 by 2 we can take it outside, so y square of this one, so 1 square minus 0 square, that will be the 1 only, plus 1 by 6 we can take it is outside, so 1 to the power of 6 minus 0 to the power of 6, that will be the 1 only, plus 1 to the power of 4 minus 0 to the power of 4, that will be the 1 only. So 2 by 4 of the 1 we can take it. Okay, next what we have to get, I is equal to 1 by 4 as it is, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 2 plus, so sorry, it is minus 1 by, so it will be the, sorry, it is also minus, then it will also get minus, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 4, isn't it? So next what we have to do, I is equal to 1 by 4 of the, we can take the LCM of this one, so this 1 by 2, so just we have to divide it here, easier, 1 by 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So here this plus this minus will be get cancelled. The remaining is I is equal to 1 by 4 plus the plus, it will be inside. So 1 by 6. Just multiply it this one. I is equal to 1 1s are 1, 6 4s are 24. This is the answer for this question. I hope you will be understand. Please like, share and comment. Please do the subscribe. Thank you so much.
Like, share, and subscribe.